Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you the location and how to remove the heater blower motor and resistor from a Peugeot 388T8. Australia is left-hand drive with steering on the right. The blower motor is located next to the steering column. Please watch the video in full before attempting. Now, underneath there will be a cover that's held on by two clips. With a clip remover, remove these clips and then unplug the courtesy light, and you will have access to the blower motor plugs. Unplug the blower motor, and before you do anything, test the motor while it's still in position. So you can see you have access to the plug there. Unplug. As you can see, the blower motor has two pins, this one. So pause the video and then test the blower motor. There is a link in the description below. If the motor is good, then you can easily remove the resistor, which is on the blower motor. There's a total of 6 screws, including the 2 screws that hold the blower motor with the resistor. Changing the resistor, if that's the problem, is unplugging and then removing the 2 torx screws. The blower motor itself is more difficult to remove, and it's not really exactly a walk in the park, which you will see in the video. Watch the video in full. Do not skip, do not attempt until you've seen it all. Sometimes more is less, and removing these covers will give you much more space to work with. And for me to show you what's required, I need to remove these anyway. So these covers are held on by clips, and then the bottom bracket is held on by torx screws. And we won't remove this completely, this piece. We'll just partially remove it to have space to work on the blower motor. If you have found this video helpful so far, please don't forget to subscribe. Now we'll remove these torx screws. And then we won't remove this completely, you will see shortly. We'll just pull it out towards us a little bit so we can have space to work with. So as you can see, now you have a lot more space. We're going to leave the easiest screw for the blower motor last, and then most of these can come off quite easily except for the last screw. The problem is the accelerator pedal comes in its way, so you might have to remove the pedal if you don't have a wobbly. But if you do have to, it's held on by 3 10mm nuts, and then it comes out of position. You do not have to unplug. So I ended up removing the accelerator pedal because it was easier. And then blower motor comes out quite easily afterwards. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe to support the channel, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.